Wow, beautiful Chanel bed. Ayan, bago nating bed ngayon, guys. With matching our thick blanket. Ayan. New bed sheets. Chanelan tayo, guys. Kahit hindi siya ganun ka ano. So, kita nyo, manipis siya pero good siya. I like the design, I like it. Pero, manipis talaga siya as in. Pero, yan. Cool diba? Tingnan. Just to look. Chanel. Chanela na ano natin with our 7 horses. 7 horses in the background. With matching with my electric fan. O, diba? Sana all. At ando na ang aking tulips na 3 perasong ayan,